do this.
Good morning, beautiful people, and it's that day. So today we're going to try the Mega Bowls, Banquet Mega Bowls country fried chicken. And there you go. It's with mashed potatoes. You see the cheese and you see corn. And they had this on sale for $2.99. So it's the salt and pepper, iodized salt and pepper. And I also got me orange juice, pulp free. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this country fried chicken ready. And there we go, people. So it was 4 minutes. Take it out, stir it around, then put it back for another 3 minutes. And voila. I'm gonna put a little salt. There we go, some pepper. And now we're gonna spin this sucker around. Doesn't look too appealing, but we're gonna try it. Okay guys, so now we're gonna try it. See it here? Mashed potato, corn. That's the chicken. The look is not very appealing, and to sell food or dishes, that's what draws the attention, is the appearance. Now when you're done doing everything to this and mix it around, the appearance is not the prettiest. Look at it, see it? Not the prettiest to look at, but it's good. It tastes good. Hi guys, the sodium in this is very, very high. So I wouldn't recommend the salt. As you can see, I had to leave some behind because I did not read the content before. And instead of salt, I was speaking more of some kind of seasoning or spice that can spike the flavor. Maybe some kind of sauce or something that can work. Thanks, guys.